This watch tells time and takes phone calls. This watch tells time and turns on lights and opens up doors. This watch tells time and communicates with satellites 12,427 miles above the Earth. It wakes you up and gets you onto subways and plays every Elton John studio album
Hey Siri, play Tumbleweed Connection
ever recorded.
Play Goodbye Yellow Brick Road. Play Madman Across the Water.
This watch tells time and sets timers and sets your pace and warns you when it's too loud and texts your friends and opens portals kidding and tracks your distance underwater and starts competitions and accepts challenges and tracks your workouts and tells you which direction you should be going and reminds you to breathe and has an app that measures the exact timing of the electrical waves traveling through the upper and lower chambers of your heart, otherwise known as an electrocardiogram. So in conclusion, just to reiterate, this watch tells time, among other things.
I'm feeling the light. I'm feeling the light.
The dawn rolling over. The clouds bring the rain. It's time to start over. Time to join in. I'm feeling the love that I wanted coming to me. I'm feeling the love and I want you to see.
With 2 weeks of battery life, you are always ready to explore. Huawei Watch GT.
Y'all know how hard life can get? And I'm not talking about those emotions and shit. I'm talking about the devil's most evil creation, facing all of us every day. That's right, the decisions. At Suunto, we know a few things about trade-offs. No, not those trade-offs. We're talking sports. We know you love sports and can't live without a real sports watch. And again, you've seen those smart people wearing those smart watches with various features help you through your daily life. Gosh, that looks too easy. Give me one. And with the help of Wear OS by Google, we came up with Suunto's first smartwatch, the Suunto 7. We worked damn hard on getting it right, so you can enjoy the best of both worlds, sports and life.